In this moment, I am going to talk about the high school students and volunteers. Students should have some choice about what they want to do in the high school, including volunteer. They could get credit for the service the same way they do for art, genius, and music class. I agree, because it's fantastic to see people volunteer at such young age. It's something to foster a reason sense of responsibility and maturity. Many high schools require that the students complete the volunteer hours to be eligible for high school diploma. On the other hand, volunteering can be a way of they gain and develop new skills, knowledge, and experience. They can exchange and CV, meeting new people, making new friends, and shape to socialize and getting to know the local community. Because the volunteer made a positive impact on the planet with hands-on conservation or community. When it's correct time to be volunteer, I don't know, but they should decide that they can do that the best thing is help other people.